Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 28th June. On the front page you have this news, trouble brewing in Bihar alliance. So this is regarding the BJP and the allies in Bihar. So the political calculations here have been discussed in this article. Then next is, no-fly list has cut down unruly flyers. So this is the statement being made by Minister of State for Civil Aviation that the no-fly list which the government has brought out. So unruly behavior which is seen on airlines up in the air, this has been reduced. Unruly flyers have been reduced because it also acts as a deterrent, and there is a no-fly list in all such offenders being put in such a list. Then this important news is US postpones 2+2 dialogue with India. So this dialogue which was proposed, which was going to take place in July, has now been rescheduled. It has been postponed. Then this is, Centre may scrap UGC, proposes new regulator. So this is a draft bill which has been put up in public domain for suggestion from educationists, in which UGC is being replaced by HECI. So this is a proposal which has been brought forward. So this discussions would take place on this, and finally it would be decided. HECI stands for Higher Education Commission of India. So this is important article. And this is a news regarding Malayalam film industry, in which Malayalam artists had accused an actor of sexual assault. One was even abducted and assaulted. So now this actor has been reinstated by the AMMA, Association of Malayalam Movie Artists. So this, in protest of this, 3 actors have quit the association. Then on page 6 you have this news, 34 years on, compensation for Blue Star detainees. So this is regarding Operation Blue Star in Punjab during Indira Gandhi's rule regime. So at that time what had happened was that many people were detained under this operation. So now the Punjab government is providing them compensation worth 4.5 crores to around 40 people. Then on page 7 you have this news, HAL Su-30 aircraft clashes in Nashik. So this is another crash which has happened in Nashik. Sukhoi 30 aircraft has crashed here. So this is a tragic incident here. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial is reality check. So this is regarding the recent RBI report on the status of the economy and the concerns being raised. So this is an important editorial. Second editorial is regarding the Grandmaster at 12, Pragananda. So this is chess Grandmaster. So this is an article regarding that, editorial regarding that. Then the lead article today is rethinking the referendum. So this is regarding Brexit. That even after 2 years of Brexit, the referendum which took place and Brexit decision was taken, the British population still remains divided on the issue, whether they have to leave, they should leave EU or not. This is editorial. This is a lead article regarding that. Caution against shaming. So this is regarding a recent Kerala High Court judgment on obscenity, on a woman openly breastfeeding image shown on a Kerala magazine. So this is the social article on that social aspect. Then on the op-ed page, from little to zero tolerance. So this is regarding what is happening in US, children being separated, the undocumented migrants. So this is detailing that. You may skip it too. Encouraging meditation to settle disputes. So this is deliberations which are taking place at the UN Commission on International Trade Law. So this you can go through, easing dispute resolution. Then this is regarding Ujjwala revolution, that how it is helping in adoption of LPG cylinders as such across the country. Then on the international page again you have news regarding detainees in US. So this is the same news continuing, you can skip. This is an important article. Nepal welcomes 2+1 dialogue mechanism. So as we had discussed 2+1 dialogues, again the news coming forth on it. So you should know about this. And this article, how a failing port gave China vital foothold. So this is regarding the Hambantota port in Sri Lanka, that how this port where China invested and Sri Lanka got accumulation of huge debt because it is money loan being provided by China for development of this port, and it has to pay the interest too. So this has resulted in China getting a foothold here, and Sri Lanka here, because of the loan, it has been suffering. So this is an important coverage with respect to India too, because India-Sri Lanka relations and Sri Lanka-China relations. So how China is getting a foothold here is important. Then on the business page you have this news, rupee tumbles to 19-month low on oil. So this is regarding how rising crude oil prices and can widen the current account deficit, can result in inflation and rupee sliding. So this is important. Then this is Cabinet OKs 2000 crore capital infusion for export guarantor across financial year 2017 to 20. So how exporters would be provided this cost-effective credit insurance is discussed here. And then this is government nod for adding 6.5 MMT oil reserves. So we have strategic oil reserves, and how government is going to consolidate it further is the news. So this is important. Then this is Japanese mission reaches far off asteroid. So this is Yugo asteroid where Japanese mission has reached. So this is the coverage on that. So that is it. These are the important articles from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can see the details on our website. We have a separate course now, so you can enroll for it too. Thank you.